You lot are terrible. I can't believe you're putting me through it. But this is the original unboxing video of the Mavic Air. This was the faithful aircraft. If you've been following my videos, it flew off. Turned out it had a faulty compass, which was DJI's manufacturing issue. Since having the battle and everything else, they've replaced it under warranty. Now, the company I bought it from, Slidr, have been absolutely fantastic. They've stuck with me right the way through the whole process, and well, they're taking it back. This is like nearly 8 weeks later. Even though the item is back from DJI with no faults on it, Slidr is saying they will give me a full refund on the product because I've lost confidence in it. Slidr's customer service is second to none. It is absolutely fantastic. I can't say enough about them. They've been brilliant. And this was a company that I'd never used before. So thanks to them, really, for helping me out through this whole process. But anyway, here is the original unboxing video. Oh, it's painful for me to watch it, but it is quite funny. Please enjoy. I can hardly contain myself. I've been waiting ages and ages, looking for the right deal. Well, I tell you what, I think I might have found it. This has just arrived less than 48 hours after buying it. I was told about this website, Slidr. Never heard of it. Come through on Facebook. I've seen it on there. But anyway, some garbage about buying credits. You get 15 free for your first purchase. Thought I'd give it a go. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm hoping. Now, if this turns out to be a load of rubbish and I've been robbed, I'll be gutted. But it's got really good ratings on Trustpilot, 5 stars. The only thing is with things you buy on there, you don't know how much you're going to be paying for them until you've actually used your credits up. So, I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh my gosh. Bag of sweets. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. This is the new Mavic Air. Oh, blimey, look at that. So far, so good. That looks as genuine as you like. It is Onyx black. Look at the tiny little box. There's nothing there. I better open it up and see what's inside. Oh my goodness me. I don't know where to start. I'm just full of excitement. I'm like a kid in a sweet shop. Oh my goodness me, look at that. I've been looking and looking for this. I've been hunting high and low. Everybody's the same price, £769. I like a bargain, so I was reluctant to pay that. I looked on this Slidr. I used up some of my free credits. I think it was 6 free credits I had to use up. £716 delivered. Do you know what I mean? Not bad. Not bad, that. And this Onyx black one, they're a bit rare at the minute. You struggle to get hold of them. Loads of people are sold out. So, all in all, I'm hoping it's going to be a bargain. I'll open this box up and it'll be empty. Here, watch. I'm so reluctant to buy from people I don't know. Amazon, yeah, great stuff. Chain reaction cycles, love it. Because I've used them and they're recommended. This company, Slidr, never even heard of them. And to chuck about 720 quid at them is a bit of a gamble for me. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, it's so nice. The little box is beautiful. It's a cheeky little thing. It's so pretty. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. What a cute little thing that is. I don't know what I'm doing with it. I'll end up pulling something out and snapping it. Now it's got stickers all over it. it looks pucker, absolutely pucker. It really does. Look at that. What else we getting here? Let's have a look. Oh, I can't get it out of the box. Oh. Instructions. A controller. That's great stuff, isn't it? And I think this is all just packaging now. I don't think there's a great deal more in here to be had. Let's just have it all out, whatever that is. And yeah, I think that's a lot. But all the bits I want are there. Let's have a look at this. What do we get in here? First impressions, the packaging on this stuff, oh, it's beautiful. This is like, it's like Apple. It's that kind of just really beautiful box and print, and oh, I mean, it's just oozing quality so far. So we've got the little connector lead there, which is, I presume this is what links your phone up to the controller. Got a charger, USB connector. All looking good. Really excited. Really excited. I'm gonna get all this banged together and see if I can figure it out. I better read the instructions, which are in here. See what we're getting here. How big's the instruction book? Oh, oh, oh. Ugh. What are they? Propeller guards. Ugh. I don't want them. I want to hack some stuff. Oh, get some spare blades. Some instructions. Well, I better have a good read and see what I'm going to do with it. But that looks absolutely stunning. It really does. Make some good videos with this. Let's give it a bash. Ooh, well, it's the end of the saga. Here we got the box. Oh, going back to Slidr for the returns. They've sent me return label. I've just got to stick that to the box and send it off. Disappointed in a way, but then I'm excited for the new one. Let's get this sealed up. There we go. I put two on just in case one gets a bit blurred with the rain or whatever, but yeah, be sure. Nicely taped up, the box is nicely sealed. Let's send it back off. I hope you enjoyed that. I know I did, watching it back, and yeah, just that excitement of buying something new. I love that feeling. Stick with me because I've just purchased the little tello drone from Slidr as well. And I got that for 83 quid. Absolute bargain. That will be arriving in the next couple of days. I'll do an unboxing on that and we'll have a little look at it. If you've enjoyed that today, give me a thumbs up, drop me a few comments and like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.